So this is probably going to be the easiest video I ever make. Quickest. So last night I installed the Top 1 Motors diffuser. The smaller one, not that big one. Just kind of wanted to keep it clean. Just a little add-on, you know. I think it goes well with the stealth exhaust. But basically I just want to show how it's installed, because I really didn't see any directions on it online. I didn't see any directions on the website. So I just wanted to pretty much show you guys how to install it. It's pretty simple. So it comes with these little Allen head screws and these brackets here, and you just install it on your fuel tank bracket like so. So 12mm nut, your two smaller screws here, just like that, and then these two screws right here are your other two, and right there, and they go into your bumper, where your bumper bolts into the back of your vehicle, right underneath. So you take the existing one out, put the new ones in. So it's literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. These are how they install the diffuser when they make it at Top 1. And that's it, man. Pretty simple. There's really nothing to it, but like I said, there was no directions online, so I wanted to make it, you know, I just wanted to show you how easy it is to install it. I think it looks pretty good. I ordered it in July, and it literally came 2 weeks ago. So it took them like 4 or 5 months to actually make it and send it to me, which is complete bullshit. I tried to get a refund on it. You know, they wouldn't give me a refund. They said they don't do refunds, but they take forever to build something like this, which is just complete bullshit, honestly. I don't think I'll buy anything else from them just because it takes too long for them to make it. I wanted to buy the side skirts, their little metal side skirts. I was thinking about buying their splitter, but now that it just takes too long for them to build it. They make some good quality stuff, as you can see, but it just takes too long for them to build it and send it out. Their customer service is shit. They said that they're going to send me free canards, even though I would never install those. They said, you know, since I waited so long, they would send me free canards or whatever for the front bumper. I never got those. It was all bullshit. So good product, you know, 5 stars for the product, 1 star for the directions because they didn't come with none. Nothing was online. That's why I made this video. And then definitely 1 star for delivery, customer service, and time to make the product. I don't know why they don't have these already made and ready to ship out, you know, being, you know, a pretty decent sized company, but for some reason they're made to order, which is dumb. So that's pretty much it. Thank you. Please subscribe.